Want to bring Rajkot's flavor to your kitchen? Here's how you can make the iconic Sev Tameta new Shaak, a sweet, spicy, and tangy tomato curry topped with crispy sev. Why I recommend this recipe? Authentic taste, made the same way as in Rajkot's local kitchens. Quick and easy, ready in under 30 minutes with basic ingredients. Goes with everything. Enjoy with roti, thepla, or even plain rice. Ingredients: 2 large tomatoes, chopped, 1 green chili, slit, half a teaspoon mustard seeds, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, pinch of hing, asafoetida, a quarter of a teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander cumin powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, optional for balance, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon oil, a half cup water, 1 cup sev for topping, fresh coriander for garnish. How to cook? Heat oil, add mustard, cumin, hing, add tomatoes and green chili. Cook until soft. Add spices, water, and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Turn off flame, top with sev and coriander. Serve hot with rotis or thepla for a true Rajkot experience right in your kitchen. This recipe is simple, spicy, and 100% local flavor approved by Rakesh Rajdev.